In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get stars in Among Us. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Among Us on your device and sign in into your account. Now, once you're on your Among Us account on the platform, go ahead and click on the shop section by clicking on the shop at the left side of your screen. Once you click on this, you'll get redirected into the Among Us shop. Now, at the top right of your screen, you'll be able to find the amount of stars that you currently have and the plus button beside the star, which will allow you to buy stars on Among Us. As you can see in here, stars are bought in bundles. Buying a star or having a star on Among Us will allow you to unlock a whole new galaxy of customization. Spend stars on the in-game store to get exclusive cosmetics and unique cosmic cubes. So you can find these cosmic cubes once you click on the icon beside the jelly bean icon. Stars can be get in bundle and can only be bought on Among Us. So go ahead and select the bundle of your choice, and once you have stars, you'll be able to avail these cosmic cubes. Take note that you cannot get or earn stars for free on Among Us. You can only buy it on the platform and pay using real money. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.